Arararara. Bakery. Oh ho. So there is a Bhirai Mitra Manda. क्या बोलती पब्लिक कुछ समझ रहा है कि नहीं? डोंट अरे यार धडकतो का भाऊ खड्डे रे जाऊन कधी सुधारणार नाही. काय चाललंय मंडळी? I know what's going on. So what's going on is let's going on. Everybody say Om Bhat Swaha. Today's video will be totally in English language and I am right now in the जवळ of Daun railway station and some Bihari Mitra Manda is there. You can see the Bihari Mitra Manda. So I am going in आईच्या गावात. I mean in the gav because I wanted to bring mobile cover for my Moto mobile, you know that. So that cover and Gorilla tripod I want to buy. So let's go in the gavat. So मंडळी, as you can see there is heavy rain. बळच मजबूत पद्धतशीर बारिश is going on here and I am going into बोंबलत गाव because I want to आईच्या गावात गाडी चालू नाही झाली तर विषय व्हायचा माझा आईच्या गावात. Yes, Kadak. Gadi is turned on. I am very lazy. I mean very alshi manus, alshi woman because I wanted to buy that Gorilla tripod. So I am going in Gav in a heavy barish. As you can see, weather is very, I mean, Dhagal Vatavarn is there and I am going in Gav by this way or this side I am going. And my mask is in my Doraemon's pocket. Here is my Doraemon's pocket. You can put the hand in there. You can get Nago. I mean whatever it is. I नाही माहित म्हणजे I don't know. So there is a Bhirai Mitra Manda. क्या बोलती पब्लिक कुछ समझ रहा है कि नहीं? Oh no, they didn't respond to me. It means they didn't understand आईच्या गावात. I mean understand my language. So it is okay, no problem. But I will go in कुत्रे मारत हिंडणार बामलात. This is road is very crazy, very much wet road. And if any foreigner or any एक मिनिट जरा खड्डा आईच्या गावातलीच मोठा खड्डा आहे. Okay, so we are now near of our what is this Kurkum Mori. It is Kurkum in our Daun Taluka. There is lots of other gav also there, including is the Kurkum Mori. I think very much pani is there in the Kurkum Mori. As you can see, very much. It's very heavy pani. And गाड़ी बंद पड़ी कि मेरी कहानी खत्म. Oh, yes, you can see very much powerful pani. Yes. Okay, there are lots of mote khadde is there. This is a very big khadda. Okay. Oh, any foreigner will be इथं येईल. So he will आईच्या गावात हे तर लईच मोठे लाका खड्डे ह्याच्यात पडलं तर सेमिंगच व्हायची काम आहेत. Okay, so any foreigner will be come here. He will enjoy the ride. It's like a roller coaster or something. He will understand do you? And here is Dukan is closed. So where I have to go? Let's see. Many Dukan are closed. That side is nothing is there. I have to go from front side. So let us go. Many peoples, many sweet peoples of our Daun Taluka is बघित काय त्याच्या मायला काय म्हणतात बघतात ॲट मी बिकॉज वॉट आय एम डुईंग आय डोंट नो अँड दे ऑल्सो डोंट अरे यार धडकतो का भाऊ काय करतोय ह्यो इधर से जाय क्या नाही इधर नाही ओनली इंग्लिश लँग्वेज आय विल गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. ओके येस I got it. This is a very much dramatic, historic and kadak paddhachiristic entry. So let's see it's any town hall. I will get a tripod or not, Gorilla tripod. Let's see. I will park here. Yes. I park my gaadi here. Oh, chavi is bent. Yes, I come here in the town hall, down of the town hall, and you can see very much wet. Alright, so guys, I dodot नाही भेटलं मला ते ट्रायपॉड तिथं दुकानमध्ये. Oh, that people are saying that in our Daun there will be no any chance to get this tripod Gorilla wala. So I am just pushing एक साफ सुथरा करिंग my seat and let's go from here. Topi is here and okay, so now I am in the Gaon. Let's see where I will get this gorilla. Is this a gorilla? Nah, this is the gorilla glass. Okay, it's extremely amazing. I want gorilla tripod. Let's see in front of there. Here is a statue of great Baba Sahib Ambedkar. All right, and गाडीज आईच्या गावात बंद पडली तर विषय होईन. And I am going here and there. Very amazing roads. It's very people's lovely peoples are watching at me very sweetly. आणि ठोकतो का येऊन आता. Oh, here is no any dukan where I can get the gorilla prod. I have just tried in 3 to 4 shops which were I mean what is that we can say. I mean okay, down there. Oh, we are चुकीच्या साईडला आलो. We have to go back because in very a situation we come very पुढच्या साईडला. And okay, it's okay people, you can understand my English, I mean understand this English language. So I am going back. Where I am going I will show you. I will दाखवतो तुम्हाला रोड. चला, इथं खड्डे, आईच्या गावात खड्डे रे. दौंड कधी सुधारणार नाही. दौंड will be never be sudaring. Okay, it's okay. So now I am going in left side of this. So let's see what is this. It's a very डोंगर की काय रे. So let's see there is any shop. It's everything is बंद ढगाळ वातावरण. ओले एक नंबर वातावरण. I don't think I will get a gorilla tripod anywhere. Understand? अर्धीच्या आईच्या गावात रस्ता is बंद here. So what? It's like PD go back. So I am going back home. Okay, boys and girls, I am going now this side. This way. This is the what is this? काय म्हणतात त्याला गावात. I mean गाव. And my chasma there is lots of pani is there, so I can't see clearly तिच्या आईला काय म्हणतात. Down there it's okay. And there is a very much famous our godfather Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue you can see. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, I will just check in Prakash Electronics. It's there any tripod is there or not. I will just check last time here in Prakash Electronics. Okay, boys and girls, we don't get this gorilla wala tripod here also. I mean in our Daund Taluka there is lots of kami of these equipments. I will not get there. If any one of my sweet subscribers, any watching this video, if you want to gift me this gorilla tripod, you can go ahead. I am going ahead from here in our chikkal pie. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, here is the Shiv Chhatrapati Maharaj statue. And I am going back to my lovely home, sweet home, because I do not मला नाही भेटलं. मला नशिबातच नाही, माझ्या नशिबात नसतं तर भेटतच नाही भाऊ. आता क्या बोलू तुम लोग को मैं. So let's go now back for the home. And if any foreigner or any subscriber, any one of this watching this video, if you want to gift me this gorilla tripod, you can give me. वेगळं आमची इथं भेटत नाही रे, गरीबी काय सांगू आता. ओके, लेट्स गो. आणि ॲक्च्युली वन थिंग इज आय वॉन्ट टू सांगू यू टेल यू माय पीपल slowlyवाले, because in my front of chasma there is lots of pani, so I can't see visibly properly. If front, oh देखो ऐसे लाइट आई ना, मेरा चश्मा चमकता है, मेरी आँखें चमक जाती है चमकदर जैसे, मेरे को कुछ दिख रहा ही नहीं दे रहा. Okay, no worries. I will try my best to reach my home and go and sleep. आई शपथ भाऊ, इथं जबरदस्त राडा. अरा पाण्यात पाय रे बाबा. अरा बेकरी. हो. Lots of Bhima Nadi is Vahati from here. हो. You can see my leg. You can see my leg. Till my गुडघ्यापर्यंत पाणी was there. So till my leg is from गुडघ्यापर्यंत is full of पाणी, full of wet, full of भरले. भाऊ या दादी दीदी यार काय लका माणसं आहे ती. Girls do not have any skills. They can prove any time of driving. It's okay. I am not blaming. I am trying to gaming. I mean vlogging with my lovely hands. Oh, lots of dhuka is there. No, it's dhurala. Okay, as you can see my boys and girls, here is I am in near Yogeshwari hospital. It's a lovely hospital. In my bachpan, I used to come in this hospital, treatment and everything. This is a Dr. Bhattad hospital. Yes, this is the Dr. Bhattad hospital. And I can't see properly anything with my chasma. I can't see properly with my chasma. There is a lots of pani and their chasma you can see in the mirror. आपलं mirror, आईच्या गावात mirror is called arsa. Oh, because of आरशाच्या नादात I was fall down from my scooty. So I am really excited. I am really thankful for the video quality. Really appreciated. It's very worst of video quality of my videos. I am shooting. My mobile is not pani proof. My mobile is not pani proof. I mean quarter nahi re, the quarter nahi. It's called waterproof. And this you can see lots of pani paus is coming here and lots of thandi and dhagal vatavaran you can see. Thandi is increasing and I am going straight forward now and directly to my home, lovely home. My Paris subscribers, you can subscribe to the channel. If you अभी तक नहीं किया तो subscribe करना दब जाना चाहिए button. Okay. Hope you enjoy my English language, and English is a very funny language as you can see, and it's okay. My pocket, my Doraemon's pocket is also purna bhig chuka yo, and barish is totally increased. I have to remove my sunglasses. What is this? We can see my chasma. I have to remove my chasma because I can't see properly. Boys and girls, we are near railway shala. We can say it railway school. It's open gate. Let's see. Oh, some people are grooming there. Grooming. I mean here they are walking and talking. Here and here. Let's see whatever it is. So far so good. And let's wait for a second. I am just removing my chasma because I can't see properly. Okay, so all my boys and girls, I have removed my chasma. Now as I अच्छे से दिख रहा है मेरे को, दिखते है पद्धतशीर एकदम काम 25. So I will just drive like this and go home. I am very cold. Very thandi is watching to me, so I am going home. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, share, everything, and see the another footage. Another footage is here. It's a station road. Like you can see, I go from Ghar is from this side. It's the very special. It's a very amazing. That is the very interesting. You can see the khadda here, and you can see the lots of water. There is no coming of our water. If gadi can slip, if you want to slip, you can slip here. Your gadi will also slip. That's okay. Now I am increasing my speed of my scooter. Oh shit! Oh, I was just called. What happened to screen? But samne se bike is coming forward and I am directly going home. This is closing my video. I hope you enjoy this vlog. तो कृपया लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट. ओय शपथ खट्टे सट्टे चायला जाऊन सुधारणार नाही. कधी सुधारलं तरी कधी सुधारायचं काय माहीत नाही. सुधारणार बहुतेक. सुधारत का नाही तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय कमेंट करा. आईच्या गाव जाऊन मध्ये वाला नो. लेट्स गो.